Hello students, today I am here in chapter 5, our winged friends of class 3, EVS. Birds, our winged friends. Do you know why do we call birds winged friends? Because they have got wings to fly. Now, the first thing that comes to our mind is that where we can find birds. We can find birds in the sky, we can find them on the trees, we can find them in the backyards, the area that is behind our house, on window sills. You must have seen that birds make their nests in our window sills. Okay, now if we talk about birds, what is a bird? A bird is an animal whose front legs are modified into wings. Like other animals, birds also have got 4 feet, 4 legs, but their front legs are modified into wings. If we talk about human beings also, we have also got 4 limbs, front limbs, and these are back limbs. Our front limbs are modified into hands. Likewise, front legs of the birds are modified into wings. Now, features of a bird. What are the features of a bird? Do you know why birds can fly? Birds can fly because they have got light hollow bones. Hollow means that is empty from inside. See, like this. You must have seen a pipe that is hollow from inside. If you pour some water from here, it will come out from this area. Likewise, their bones are hollow. That is why the body of the birds is very light. It has 2 legs, as I have told you before. It has 4 toes on each foot. As we have 5 fingers in our one hand, the birds have 4 toes on their each foot. So here you can see the picture of a bird. This is the beak that they use to eat something. They use this beak to pick up insects. They use it to eat the seeds and whatever they like to eat, like insects. These are their legs. It is the claw. We call it panja in Hindi. These are the feelers, right?